Hello guys, welcome back to my Java class. In today's class, I'm going to explain the topic called declarations. In that, what is declaration statement, how to declare various kinds of variables with examples. I'll explain. Come on, let me start. What is declaration statement? A declaration statement which defines the type of a variable. So it defines the type of a variable. Now consider an example. Here, this is an example. This is a declaration statement. Here it defines the type of a variable. Here the type of variable is boolean. This is the type of a variable and my variable name is on the table. This is the value which I assigned for my boolean type variable. So the complete this declaration statement which explains that suppose a piece of a paper it is on the table. At that time we have the value for that true. If it is of the table, we'll be having the value false. Boolean variable, it is always having only two values, either it is true or false. On the table it is true. If it is off the table, at the time you can use false. This is the declaring boolean variable. When you create a variable in Java, you must know at least few things. These are the important things. Suppose you need to know whenever you are going to create a variable. Okay, these are the few things you should know. The first point, state the data type that you will be using. The data type you need to state. For example, here in our boolean we have the data type boolean. Second, state the name of the variable. So our variable name is on the table. Third one, assign the variable a value. For boolean we have here true value. Final, as with every other line of code in Java, terminate the line with a semicolon. You can observe here we are terminating the line with a semicolon. So these are the few things you need to keep in your mind while creating, that is while declaring variable. Next we have declaring integer type. Integer types can be declared just like boolean variables, but the only thing is that here we are going to use whole numbers as values. In boolean we had true or false, but in integer types we have whole numbers. In integer types we will get for the byte, short, int and long. Depending on the size, all the types differs by each other. For example, the first integer type byte, I declared here the byte, the type, and this is the byte where it is a variable name. Byte is a type, I declared as byte, and it is 8 bits length. Next we have short type, I declared it is 16 bits. Int where it is 32 bit, and long where is a variable name, it is 64 bits. Here in this section I am assigning values for each type. The first type byte 10, 15 second, 20 and 25. This is how we can use integer types, guys. This is the way we can declare integer types with values. Now declaring floating point and character types. Declaring floating point types. These variables are 32 or 64 bits in length. You can observe here the float, it is 32 bits, the double 64 bits. In this variable I am declaring float type of a variable. Float var is my variable name. Float is a type of my variable. This is the value 2.1f. It is the value for my floating point variable float var. Here f, it is a literal which indicates that 2.1 it is a floating point variable's value. And for double we have double is a type, double var is a variable name. This is the value. It is about 64 bits in length. Next we have the final declaring character types. A character type variable holds only one character. You can observe here how to declare a character type variable. Char is my data type, my char is a variable name. Here in the second line I assigned the value for my char variable y within single quote. You can remember that each and every character will be having Unicode value. Here in our example I used the character y. Now with a practical program we will see, guys. Make sure that you are declaring variables beginning of the code in your program. At the beginning of the code you should declare your variables with their values. This increases the readability of your Java program. Here I am declaring the byte, short, next int, long, float, double, char, all the variables I declared here in the beginning. Later in the next section I am going to print those variables with their values. We can see here the output. The first, this is the byte, next we have short, int, long, this is the float and double, finally we have character. So this is the class for the day, guys. Have a nice day.